Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to Backspace. In this easy and practical tutorial, we will learn how to change multiple pages view to a single page view in Microsoft Word for better focus and reliability. Sometimes Word shows two or more pages side by side, which can be distracting while editing. This guide will help you switch back to one page view instantly. In this video, we will discover simple method using view setting and zoom option to control how your documents is displayed. So let's get started. We can see here show the multiple page view. You can open this view, go to the view menu. Then we can see here the multiple page option. Then we see the all page at once. Otherwise you want to see the all page at once, you can zoom in and zoom out the document. You can using the keyboard shortcut key press Ctrl and hold, then rolling the mouse wheeler. Now we can see zoom in and zoom out in, but you can make it one page, click the one page option, then you can show the one page only. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.